Hello everyone, welcome to Soulful Lifestyle. This is your host and chef Kranti Talwar. Wish you again a very happy new year and welcome to the special travel vlog come cooking vlog segment of Soulful Lifestyle. Right now I'm here at Chula Beach, which is at Malvan. It is one of the most virgin beaches in addition to Tarkali Beach. Let me show you a glimpse of how this beach is. So this is one among the virgin beaches that Sindhudurg district has to offer. All the beaches here are extremely virgin, beautiful, yet to be polluted because so far the crowd has been maintained here. A lot of water sports like snorkeling, scuba diving, parasailing, banana boat ride, speed boat ride, all these take place from these beaches. And in today's cooking vlog, in addition to this beautiful travel that the scenery that you're seeing, I'm also going to cook a special village style prawn masala that is also going to be cooked on bonfire, just like my previous video wherein I made a barbecue fish, the sear fish. Please watch my vlog with the sear fish video of the open bonfire barbecue. Please don't forget to leave your comments on my YouTube comment section. Kindly like this video if you like the recipe as well as this vlog, and please hit the bell button so that you get the latest updates of my channel. Without any further ado, let's get cooking. For this recipe, you'll need 500 grams of clean, de-shelled and de-veined prawns. You may also leave the shell on if you want an add-on flavor. 4 medium-sized onions chopped, 2 tablespoons of crushed garlic. I have used only 1 tablespoon since I was out of garlic. 1 teaspoon of chopped ginger, handful of chopped cilantro, 2 large tomatoes chopped, 4 green chilies chopped. For the dry spices, you'll need half a teaspoon of turmeric powder, 1 to 2 teaspoons of Malwani masala based on your choice of spiciness, 1 tablespoon each of coriander powder and red chili powder. My cousin helped me to set up a bonfire right at the backyard of our ancestral home, which falls right next to a creek. Chula Beach is only about a 5-minute drive from my home. Now let's begin cooking our shrimp masala. For this, heat up any utensil that fits on your bonfire. Preferably try to have a heavy bottom utensil. Add about 2 tablespoons of oil to your heated utensil. Once your oil is hot, add in your chopped onions along with chopped green chilies. Some salt to taste and saute this until your onions turn pink in color. Now add in about 2 tablespoons of crushed garlic. I have used a little lesser garlic because I was out of it. Also add your chopped ginger. Add finely chopped cilantro and saute. Once your onions reach a light brown color, add in your powdered spices, which will include turmeric, red chili powder, some Malwani masala and coriander powder. Saute this for about 30 seconds. If you see your masalas burning, you can sprinkle some water to it. Now add your chopped tomatoes. Saute and cook this until the tomatoes are mushy. This will take a couple of minutes. Now add in your clean, de-shelled and de-veined prawns. I have left the tails on for an added taste. The shells of a prawn impart an amazing taste, so if you wish, you can also leave the shells on. Saute this to mix up all the masalas well with the prawn. And now cover and cook this for about 4 to 5 minutes. Because this was a jumbo tiger prawn, it took me about 6 to 7 minutes to cook this. But if it's a small size prawns, it should get cooked within 4 to 5 minutes. If you want a slight sauce to this, you may add about half a cup of hot water to this at this stage, and it will give you a thick sauce. Serve this hot, garnish with some freshly chopped cilantro. Taste test. I know you guys are drooling with this. Delicious. Prawns cooked on a bonfire. Delicious. Simply superb. The tiger prawns themselves are so delicious. They were fresh. Excellent. Try this.